guys, my name is Everything Airbnb and this is my new channel. In this channel, this is the first video I do and we're going to talk about everything you need to know about Airbnb. This new thing that is coming into the market, these OTAs, and how you can take advantage of it either if you're a client or if you're a host. Now, today we're going to talk about how you can get a cheaper price for the same room. So I made the scheme a thing right here so I could explain more easily. We have the experienced host, his name is Bill, and we have the inexperienced host, his name is Joe. Bill is a superhost, he has a lot of review, he has a lot of listing, while Joe is no superhost, he has one or two listing at top, and he has little or sometimes even no reviews, because the first reviews come after some few weeks or months of being open. So now, to Bill, you have to approach him and make him understand that you know how important is the RevPar. RevPar means revenue per available room. And this for rooms slash house slash hotel owners is the one of the most important things, even more important than the rack rate per night. While to Joe, you have to let him understand that you just know the price of the sun, so you have to like make him uncomfortable. Making him uncomfortable, you will have the power, and you can choose the price you want almost. So Bill will be more than happy to give you a last minute discount because he know that if he doesn't book the room, it's money that he's lost. While Joe, he's afraid to give you such little price because he doesn't know if his price is right and he'll be more than happy to just keep his price for the short time. So, so with Bill, you're going to ask him a really big discount for for the last minute night. While with Joe, it's easier to get a better price for a far away dates, cause he will be like, it's too far away, I'm not going to care right now, and it's money that I will get that I'm sure to get today. While Bill know that he doesn't have to give you a discount for the long-term dates, cause he'll probably know that he can book them at the top rate he wants. So now let's have a look at the numbers I write it down. If you see them, they have changed it because I made a mistake and they were not so easy to understand. So now we'll see that Bill and Joe, they put the listing at the same price, $100 per night. But the average monthly, oh, I read monthly wrong. At the same price, but as you can see, the average monthly is different. Bill makes more money than Joe, $500 more. And as we can see, the occupancy of their house is 23.3% more. This will show you that Bill is renting his house more, but as we can see in the revenue per room sold, he's renting it at a less price. This is making Bill get less money per night, but in the end, he will get a lot more, as we can see. Then Bill knows something really important, the revenue per available room. And this is important because it's the money he's going to get at the end of the month. So Bill knows that if he doesn't rent a room, he's going to lose his money. Joe is not familiar with this work, so he's afraid to get big discount, to give big discount. So as we can see, Bill will tend to give you bigger discounts to the last minute. So if you want to get a bigger discount, just go ahead with the experienced host and try to get it last minute. Now, let's do a recap. Joe will be more vulnerable to give you any kind of discount, but he's afraid of big discounts. Bill will try to get the most of you, but if you understand the importance of last minute booking, as I just explained to you, you can get a good value for money. So I would recommend you to try to work with Bill for the short term and with Joe for the long term. And you have to work them like if you're doing a real deal. You never have just one option. You play with the option you have. You go to the different owner of the different house and try to ask them for these point prices. When you get the discounts, you compare them and you go to the listing you like the most. You tell them that you have received an offer for staying at their places and ask them if they can match this. So you will be getting a double discount, a discount for the first discount price you ask, and then if they want to match the other places, you'll get another discount. So with these tricks, I hope you will get more discounts and go to the places you love to be. And just enjoy your vacation, because this is all we want to do. And go enjoy some piña colada with the money you just saved. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I will be doing more content like this in the next few days. And if you have any question or any doubt, just leave it in the comment below and I will be more than happy to answer to any question. Spada